Hey everyone, so as you know that recently we launched our QC module and also template option. So in that we provided a custom document template option as well, where you can create your own template as per your requirement. So let me quickly guide you from where you can set it, and you can also add images and other details in that template. So first of all, you need to go in settings module. So once we will come on the settings module part, then after you need to go to documents. Here you will find the documents. Now, after going to documents, please go to Excel document. Now, this is where you go ahead and set up your own template for quality control, for document formats. So here, let me quickly go ahead and show you. Here, I will simply just download a sample template in order to brief you. So quickly, let us download the sample template. So I will just download one of the invoice format, custom invoice format. Click on download. Now I will open this file. Once I will open this file, please check. This is how it will look like. Do remember that there is a functionality of mustache element. Use the mustache element in order to create your custom file. You can make the changes here and as per your requirement, and then after you can upload this Excel file in your template where it's written add template. Similarly, you can go ahead and map it as well. Now, here is a map document template. After uploading it, you can just quickly just go ahead here and add new mapping and you can map it. So I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to set up your own Excel template in a custom way. Have a good day ahead.